Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can set Bluehost email tutorial for beginners. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. Once you log into your Bluehost, on the left side of the menu, you will find Cpanel email. Click on this option, and once you click on this option, you will see this pop up right away. The first thing you would see email accounts. You can create and manage email accounts from this option. Click on continue. It will open up a new window. Let's wait for a while. And here we are. As you can see, I have so many emails from over here, but I'm going to create a new one. Let's click on at the right, click on create. And once you are here, make sure to select your domain. Once you select your domain, under that we have username. Make sure to add your username and password so you can log into your email account. Once you enter both of that, make sure to click on edit settings, and under that we have storage space and automatically create folders for plus addressing. So this tutorial is a demo, so I'm not going to change anything, but if you want to change anything from over here, you can do it. After that, scroll down until you see create, click on this, and you have created your email right away. So let's say you have created your email, how you can access that. On the right side we have mail. Open this. Once you click on that, you will end up over here, and this is how it looks like. This is the webmail for Bluehost, and that's it. This is all you need to know how to set up a custom email address in Bluehost as a beginner. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.